Term 1. Multiple choice questions and answers. +1 Physics November 2021.
Question 1. Match the following. A. Aeroplane. 1. Digital logic electronic circuits. B. Computers. 2. Newton's second and third laws of motion. C. Radio and television. 3. Bernoulli's principle. D. Rocket propulsion. 4. Propagation of electromagnetic waves. Answer is A. Aeroplane works on Bernoulli's principle. B. Computers works on digital logic electronic circuits. C. Radio and television works with the propagation of electromagnetic waves. D. Rocket propulsion works on Newton's second and third laws of motion. Question 2. Dimension of light year are A. T. B. LT-1. C. L. D. None of these. Right option is C. Question 3. Which of the following measurements is most precise? A. 7.00 meters. B. 7.00 kilometers. C. 7.00 centimeters. D. 7.00 millimeters. Right answer is D. 7.00 millimeters. Question 4. Area under speed time graph represents A. Distance. B. Acceleration. C. Average acceleration. D. None of these. Right answer is A. Distance. Question 5. A person starts his journey from his home at 9:00 am to his office and come back to his home at 5:00 pm. His office is 30 kilometers from his home. Then the displacement in his motion is A. 30 kilometers. B. 0. C. Not defined. D. None of these. Right answer is B. 0. Question 6. The angle between negative vector is A. 0 degree. B. 60 degree. C. 90 degree. D. 180 degree. Right answer is D. 180 degree. Question 7. Identify the vector quantity among the following. A. Work. B. Angular momentum. C. Distance. D. Energy. Right answer is B. Angular momentum. Question 8. A ball thrown by one player reaches the other in 2 seconds. The maximum height attained by the ball above the point of projection will be take G equals 10. A. 10 meters. B. 7.5 meters. C. 5 meters. C. 5.5 meters. The right answer is C. 5 meters. Question 9. A scooter goes round a circular track of radius 10 meter with speed of 30 meter per second. The angular speed of the scooter is A. 3 radian per second. B. 6 radian per second. C. 300 radian per second. D. None of these. The right answer is A. 3 radian per second. Question 10. To shake off water from wet cloth, it is common to give it a sudden jerk. In doing so, we are taking advantage of A. Newton's first law of motion. B. Newton's second law of motion. C. Newton's third law of motion. D. Impulse. The right answer is A. Newton's first law of motion. Question 11. When we kick a stone, we get hurt due to which property of the stone if happens? A. Inertia. B. Velocity. C. Reaction. D. Momentum. The right answer is C. Reaction. Question 12. A body of mass 1 kilogram is at rest. A force F is applied on the body so that body attains a velocity of 10 meters per second in 2 seconds. The force acting on the body is A. 20 Newton, B. 15 Newton, C. 10 Newton, 5 Newton. The right answer is D. 5 Newton. Question 13. A body of mass m collides against a wall, the velocity v, and rebounds. With the same velocity, its change in momentum is A. mv, B. 2 millivolts, C. minus 2 millivolts, D. 0. Right answer is C. 2 meters v. Question 14. Dimensional formula for impulse is mlt minus 1. Question 15. A force does maximum work on an object. The angle between the force and displacement vector is A. 0 degree, B. 30 degree, C. 60 degree, D. 90 degree. The right answer is A. 0 degree. Question 16. A loader carries 25 kilograms load on his head and travels 200 meters on a straight horizontal road. The work done by the loader is A. Infinite, B. Positive, but not infinite, C. Negative, D. None of these. The right answer is D. None of these. Question 17. Dimensional formula for coefficient of restitution is. Right answer is it has no dimensional formula. Question 18. For which of the following does the center of mass lie outside the body? A. Javelin, B. A pencil, C. A bangle, D. A shot put. The right answer is C. Bangle. Question 19. The angular momentum of a moving body remains constant if A. Net external force is applied, B. Net pressure is applied, C. Net external torque is applied, D. Net external torque is not applied. The right answer is D. Net external torque is not applied. Question 20. The SI unit of angular momentum is. The right answer is kg square meter per second.